Okay, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market wrap up with myself. My name is Michael Nauss. I'm a chartered market technician and quantitative trader. What we do here on the channel every Wednesday is we just take a second to break down what we're seeing in the market so far this week, try to get some kind of feel about how we may end up closing the week. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. First, looking at Bitcoin, we are having a little bit of a Bitcoin rally here, which is kind of interesting. If we just look over the last few days, this thing has been a nice bear flag. We kind of broke down out of that, but we found support at this 35,000 area, having a nice little push up off of that today. So the real question is, can we reclaim this all important $40,000 area? If so, we're just right back into the chop where it was before. If this ends up failing and we push lower, then maybe this bear flag is going to complete. The only other crypto that I thought was pretty interesting here is Doge. If you draw this declining wedge out back from a long period of time, it's just getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And we're now holding in the high end of the wedge. So if this thing can break and maybe clear these last two spikes, that's where that one kind of gets a little bit more interesting. So into the equity markets. So we had JPOWW talking today about something. Again, I don't pay attention to these. I'm a technician. Just know that that was an event that kind of pushed us around here. A lot of support going on here. I have a question written out. Is this a bear trap? You can let me know in the comments below, but it kind of is looking like it. And for people who don't know, a bear trap is just when the market breaks below kind of an obvious level. We had one happen actually back here when we broke down below this level and then rallies right back up. So what it does is it triggers out a lot of stops and gets those people upset and needing to buy back in. And then it also triggers in a lot of bears that need to flip and buy back in as well. So might be a trap going on there. Anyway, a big strong push off of these levels. So we need to see, can we hold this and start moving and then we're back in a range on the SPY? Or is this just a quick flash in the pan and we are going to roll over there? USO is very interesting when it comes to looking at just the different ETFs. It's the strongest sector right now, holding up right against these highs. Looking to see if we can get a break in the next few days on oil there. IWM is very interesting. I've been watching this anchored VWAP, so the average price of the market participants from the COVID lows. And you can see how well this was acting as support in through here and here. Spent a couple days trading below that, which was damaging, but then rallied right back up over it. So we're now holding that all-important level. Two stocks that I'm watching going into tomorrow. One is this EXEL. It's held these highs over at 22 very well, broke out of those and pulled back, and it's just been putting in this flagging pattern. So I'm going to see if those ones can push higher. And this ONDS, nice big rounded bottom, potential cup and handle going on here. Seeing if this one can break as well, and maybe we can take a shot at these highs over here. All right, as always, none of this is investment advice, but if you want more of this content, come over to www.statsedgetrading.com and I'll see you there.